In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the data module in Studio. The data module can be accessed through this icon from the desktop. The data module is used to analyze data using both the Students T and Black-Scholes model. On the top here we have three tables. You have your portfolios table where you can list all of your portfolios. The portfolio table displays how many stocks are in the portfolio, your minimum shape parameter, maximum shape parameter, and value at risk for the Students T distribution, and the value at risk for the normal distribution, so you can directly compare the two. To add a new portfolio, you right-click on the table and choose Add Row. You can delete rows by selecting them and choosing Remove Rows. You can clear the entire table. You can copy rows, you can select all the rows, and you can save them as a text file. You can also fit the entire portfolio with both models by selecting Fit here. To add stocks to the portfolio, you click on the Stocks table, you right-click and you choose Add Row. You can change the name of the stock by double-clicking on the name and entering the new name. The Stocks table displays the number of data items in the stock position, several fitting parameters for the Students T distribution, and fitting parameters for the normal distribution. They also display the value at risk for the two, again, so you can directly compare. As with the portfolio table, you can add, remove, insert rows, clear them all, save them as a text file, and you can fit the individual stocks. The data table is where the data for the stock is kept. You can add rows the same way, right-click and choose Add Row. You can then change the price to whatever you like and change the date as well. Of course, this will be tedious to enter all the data by hand, so you can import the data, right-click, choose Import, and a dialog will be displayed. Choose the text file you wish to import, and then you can choose several different options. You can select which column in the file is your date column, which is your price column, how the data in the file is separated, comma, space, tab, what represents a comment in the file, and how many lines at the beginning to skip. Click OK and your data will be imported. And you can see all the data in this table here. The graph also now displays the data. You can change what is graphed by selecting Returns, and then you can see the returns. To fit the data, right-click on the stock and choose Fit. A Students T fit is then displayed in red, and the normal fit is displayed as a black dashed line. So you can directly compare the two. You'll see that the fit parameters have been updated in the stock table, and so has the value at risk. You can import an entire portfolio by right-clicking on the stocks table and choosing Import. Again, the dialog box is displayed, and you simply select all the files that represent your portfolio, and they will all be imported. You can now fit the entire portfolio by right-clicking on the portfolio from the portfolio table and choosing Fit. Down in the status panel here, you will see the current status of the fits, and when it's completed, it'll tell you so. So now each stock has been fit with both the Students T and normal distribution. As with the pricing module, you can zoom in simply by dragging the mouse over what you would like to zoom into. You can change tools by right-clicking and choosing a different tool. And you can reset the range by right-clicking and choosing Reset Range. You can save the image You can save the graph as an image or a text file. And you can change the size of the windows simply by dragging, so you can have a better look at the graph. And that is the data module and the end of this tutorial. Thank you.